வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 4. இந்த டெஸ்ட்டு வீடியோ பார்ட் 1லேருந்து பார்ட் 20 வரைக்கும் உள்ள 600 எம்சிக்யூலேருந்து 100 எம்சிக்யூ செலக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் மினிமம் 1 hour உங்களுக்கு டைம் இருக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த கொஸ்டினை அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். இதுக்கு தேவையான பேப்பரும் பென்னும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் மட்டும் எழுதினா போதும். இதோட ஆன்சர் லாஸ்ட்டு பார்ட்டில் இருக்குது. அதை முதல்ல பார்த்துட வேண்டாம், கடைசியாக நீங்களே அதை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அதுக்காக அது கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஓகே, இப்போது வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், ப்ளூ சிப் மீன்ஸ் A. Shares guaranteed by the government. B. Shares listed in the exchanges. C. Shares giving consistent high rate. D. None of these. Second one, sources of capital that provide high risk capital for early stage and growth stage companies in various industries. A. Development and financial institutions. B. Government grants. C. Initial public offers. D. Venture capitalist. Third one, MBE means A. Management by ethics. B. Management by exception. C. Management by environment. D. Management by entertainment. Fourth one, limit of the number of directorships are prescribed in the Companies Act 2013 with effect from 1/4/2014 under which section? A. Section 65. B. Section 110. C. Section 135. D. Section 165. Fifth one, tariff is the levy on A. commodity imported into the country. B. commodity exported to another country. C. domestically transported commodity. D. levy on manufactured commodities. Sixth one, bank rate implies the rate of interest A. paid by RBI on the deposit of commercial bank. B. charged by banks on loans and advances. C. payable on bonds. D. At which RBI rediscounts the bills of exchange. Seventh one, which does not come under asset from the following: A. Investment, B. Prepaid insurance, C. Debtors, D. Creditors. Eighth one, interim dividend can be declared by the company at dash: A. AGM, B. EGM, C. Either AGM or EGM, D. Board meeting. Ninth one, which one of the following audits is called as vouch and post audit? A. Statutory audit, B. Continuous audit, C. Periodical audit, D. Management audit. Tenth one, WTO was established in A. January 1995, B. February 1992, C. January 1948, D. March 1973. 11th one, amalgamation is a form of A. Trade association, B. Federation, C. Partial consolidation, D. Complete consolidation. 12th, the concept in which all costs associated to a particular period should be compared with the revenue associated to the same period. A. Matching concept, B. Dual aspect concept, C. Periodicity concept, D. Realization concept. 13. Mercantile agents are also called as A. Merchant middleman, B. Functional middleman, C. Discount houses, D. Commission houses. 14. A multilateral treaty that lays down agreed rules for conducting international trade is called as A. WTO, B. GATT, C. TRIM, D. TRIP. 15. Dividing the net asset available for the equity shareholders for the number of equity shares is called as A. Net worth basis, B. Intrinsic value of shares, C. Net payment method. D. Lump sum payment. 16. Any decrease on the value of asset at the time of internal reconstruction will be charged to A. Goodwill account, B. Share capital account, C. Capital reduction account, D. Revaluation account. 17. Government securities and other first class papers are dash. A. Corporate securities, B. Gilt-edged securities, C. Collateral securities, D. None of these. 18. Net profit earned plus non-working capital expenses is equal to A. Fund provided by operation, B. Use of funds, C. Sinking fund, D. Sources of fund. 19. In e-banking, PIN stand for A. Personal information system, B. Private index number, C. Personal identification number, D. Personal information number. 20. Interim audit is conducted A. To issue of shares, B. To issue of debentures, C. To declare dividend, D. To reconstruct the company. 21. The first legislative enactment for registration of joint stock companies was passed in the year A. 1840, B. 1850, C. 1860, D. 1870. 22. The balance of trade is also known as A. Capital transfer, B. Gain from trade, C. The visible balance, D. Foreign trade. 23rd. Payments to and by a country of debts is called as A. Balance of payment on current account, B. Balance of payment on capital account, C. SDR, D. External assistance. 24th. while evaluating the capital investment proposals, the time value of money is considered in the case of A. Payback method, B. Discounted cash flow method, C. Accounting rate of return method, D. None of these. 25th. Buyers are divided into different groups on the basis of psychological personality traits, lifestyle, or values. A. Geographical segmentation, B. Psychographic segmentation, C. Socio-economic segmentation, D. Socio-economic segmentation. 26. With the increase to the production of an industrial concern, which of the following increase continuously? A. Average cost, B. Fixed cost, C. Managerial cost, D. Variable cost. 27. Non-cash element of the purchase consideration must be computed as dash. A. Fair value, B. Profit value, C. Sales value, D. Risk value. 28. Which is an example of outdoor advertising? A. Press advertising, B. Television advertising, C. Internet advertising, D. Advertising boards. 29th. Prepaid expenses are the expenses which actually relate to A. Current financial year, B. Next financial year, C. Previous financial year, D. None of these. 30. In contract costing, material stolen are A. Credited to the respective contract account, B. Debited to the respective contract account, C. Debited to costing profit and loss account, D. Not at all considered. 31. Fixed cost plus profit is equal to A. Sales, B. Variable cost, C. Contribution, D. Break-even point. 32. Expand the term ROI. A. Return on investment, B. Right on investment, C. Return on industry, D. Right on issue. 33. Which of the following is non-current asset? A. Debtors. B. Prepaid insurance. C. Land. D. Stock. 34. Which of the following is known as fictitious asset? A. Goodwill. B. Patent right. C. Copyright. D. Preliminary expenses. 35. The nature of advertising that aims to procure order through mails is known as dash. A. Direct action advertising. B. Trade advertising. C. Professional advertising. D. Industrial advertising. 36. Abnormal loss is equal to A. Actual loss plus normal loss. B. Actual loss minus normal loss. C. Actual loss into normal loss. D. Actual loss divided by normal loss. 37. Which of the following committees examined and suggested financial reforms? A. Chellaiah Committee. B. Abid Hussain Committee. C. Narasimhan Committee. D. Bhagavati Committee. 38. Equity or equity featured capital seeking investment in new ideas, new companies, new products, new processes, or new services that offer the potential for high return on investment is called dash. A. Unit capital. B. Venture capital. C. Seed capital. D. Nominal capital. 39. The minimum rate of return before which a project would not be recommended is called dash. A. Profit point. B. Break-even point. C. Cutoff point. D. None of these. 40. If a public company limited by shares does not have its own articles, it may adopt A. Table A of Schedule 1. B. Table B of Schedule 1. C. Table C of Schedule 1. D. Table D of Schedule 1. 41. Export procedure begins with A. Indent, B. Shipping order, C. Consular invoice, D. Marine insurance. 42. Which one of the following is not a international licensing? A. Agreement duration, B. Dispute settlement, C. Determining rights, D. Logistical consideration. 43. Section 10 of income tax or deals with A. Gross income, B. Net income, C. Taxable income, D. Income exempt from tax. 44. The bylaws of a company are in A. Articles of Association, B. Memorandum of Association, C. Prospectus, D. Statement in lieu of prospectus. 45. The break-even chart helps the management in A. Forecasting cost and profits, B. Cost control, C. Long-term planning and growth, D. All of these. 46. Fixed shop retailers do not include A. Specialty shops, B. General shop, C. Street stall holders, D. Itinerants. 47. Which of the following is not a direct tax? A. Income tax, B. Property tax, C. GST, D. House tax. 48. Which of the following items is not an operating expenses? A. Office expenses, B. Interest paid, C. Selling overheads, D. Postage. 49. The State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited commenced its activities in A. 1971, B. 1972, C. 1970, D. 1974. 50. The type of process loss that should not affect the cost of inventory value is A. Abnormal loss, B. Normal loss, C. Seasonal loss, D. Standard loss. 51. The physical means whereby a manufacturer of goods or utilities or a provider of services tells the consumer about his product or services is called dash. A. Advertising media, B. Advertising copy, C. Advertising budget, D. Advertising agency. 52. When central government directs to change the name of the company must change its name within a period of A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 1 month, D. 15 days. 53. The approach that considers all the middlemen or institutions in distribution channel is dash. A. Management approach, B. Commodity approach, C. Institutional approach, D. Functional approach. 54. The increase or decrease in total cost that result from any variation in operation is called A. Marginal cost, B. Additional cost, C. Differential cost, D. None of these. 55. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 envisages three-tier quasi-judicial machinery, and they are A. Supreme Court, High Court, District Council, B. National Commission, High Court and District Forum, C. National Commission, State Commission and District Forum, D. Supreme Court, State Commission and District Forum. 56. Financial statements are essentially based on A. Accrual basis, B. Going concern assumption, C. Consistency, D. Matching concept. 57. The Mudra Bank was initially set up as a subsidiary of dash. A. IDBI, B. SIDBI, C. NABARD, D. RBI. 58. Dividend income shall be taxable under section dash of IT Act. A. Section 26, B. Section 46, C. Section 56, D. Section 86. 59. In company meeting, proxy can A. Speak and vote, B. Vote only, C. Attend and vote, D. Speak only. 60. The rights of consumer under Consumer Protection Act 1986 does not include A. Right to safety, B. Right to choose, C. Right to purchase, D. Right to consumer education. 61. MIS stands for A. Marketing Information System, B. Marketing Internet System, C. Manufacturer Information System, D. Management Information System. 62. Soft loans schemes and venture capital fund were initiated by the A. IDBI, B. IFCI, C. ICICI, D. UTI. 63. Moral advertising is a kind of A. Press advertising, B. Miscellaneous advertising, C. Direct advertising, D. Outdoor advertising. 64. The present value of the firm's anticipated excess earnings is called A. Profits, B. Goodwill, C. Share, D. Dividend. 65. Breaking the bulk is possible when there is A. Channel of distribution, B. Middleman, C. Transportation, D. None of these. 66. Buyers are offered a wide range of product to choose from is called dash. A. Window display, B. Interior display, C. Showrooms, D. Exhibitions. 67. How much deduction of preliminary expenses shall be allowed? A. Actual expenditure incurred or 5% of the cost of a project or 5% of the cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is more. B. Actual expenditure incurred or 5% of cost of a project or 5% of cost of capital employed of a company, whichever is less. C. Rupees 1 lakh. D. Up to rupees 5 lakhs. 68. Industrial Finance Corporation of India was established in the year A. 1964, B. 1955, C. 1948, D. 1956. 69. Which of the following is not a type of lease? A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Leverage lease, D. Periodical lease. 69. Education related to the needs of the people and the improvement of their socio-economic status is known as A. Adult education, B. Functional education, C. Vocational education, D. Environmental education. 70. Marketing is A bar an A. Social process, B. Economic process, C. Exchange process, D. Both A and B. 71. Fixed cost is also known as A. Special cost, B. Direct cost, C. Prime cost, D. Overhead cost. 72. Which is not a method used to analyze the financial statements? A. Fund flow analysis, B. Cash flow analysis, C. Ratio analysis, D. FIFO. 73. The eyes and ears of business is A. Marketing of goods, B. Functions of marketing, C. Commerce and trade, D. Commerce and industry. 74. Long-term solvency is indicated by A. Rate of return, B. Liquid ratio, C. Debt equity ratio, D. Capital gearing ratio. 75. In Solomon versus Solomon case, the feature of a company established was A. Separate property, B. Limited liability, C. Perpetual succession, D. Separate legal entity. 76. Theory Y of motivation is propounded by A. Herzberg, B. Virum, C. McGregor, D. James Adams. 77. What is the minimum number of directors in case of a public company? A1, B2, C3, D5. 78. Cash from operations is equal to A. Net profit plus increase in current asset, B. Net profit plus decrease in current asset, C. Net profit plus cash expenses plus decrease in current asset, D. Net profit after tax. 79. What is the due date for filing of return in case of an individual? A. 30th September of the assessment year, B. 30th April of the assessment year, C. 31st December of the assessment year, D. 31st July of the assessment year. 80. World Environment Day is observed on A. June 5, B. July 10, C. December 8, D. March 8. 81. Assets easily convertible into cash are called A. Fixed assets, B. Liquid assets, C. Floating assets, D. Current assets. 82. The assessing officer of income tax may be interested to go through certain books, account, documents, statements of the assessees before finalizing the assessment of an assessee. This is called A. Assessment on the basis of return filed, B. Best judgment assessment. C. Enquiry before assessment. D. Self-assessment. 83. TRIPS pertains to patents and copyrights where protection will be available for dash. A. 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. B. 50 years, 20 years. C. 20 years, 40 years. D. 40 years, 20 years. 84. Who wrote the book The God of Small Things? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Salman Rushdie. C. R.K. Narayanan. D. K.R. Narayanan. 85. The remuneration payable to one managerial person in a company shall not exceed dash. A. 5% of the company's net profit. B. 8% of the company's net profit. C. 10% of the company's net profit. D. 11% of the company's net profit. 86. Who manages a joint stock company? A. Its board of directors. B. Its general body. C. Its management council. D. All of these. 87. Consumer Guidance Society of India was established in the year A. 1956. B. 1971. C. 1976. D. 1963. 88. Internal audit is helpful in A. Prevention of errors and frauds. B. Detection of errors and frauds. C. Auditing items in depth. D. All of these. 89. SDR is A kind of soft loan created by the IMF. B. A type of overdraft at the IMF. C. A form of international reserve issued by the IMF. D. A negotiable instrument of the SBI. 90. The Constitution of India came into force on A. 26th November 1949. B. 26th January 1950. C. 26th January 1949. D. 15th August 1949. 91. Pricing decision is influenced by A. Cost, B. Pricing objective, C. Demand, D. All of these. 92. The scheme of sale of shed and plots accomplished by dash. A. SIDBI, B. ICICI, C. IDBI, D. SIDC. 93. A private company may be wound up by the court if the number of members is reduced below A. 2, B. 5, C. 4, D. 3. 94. Which of the following is not a source of fund? A. Purchase of machinery, B. Profit earned during the year, C. Issue of share capital, D. Long-term loan raised. 95. Commercial banks are not required to disclose information under Right to Information Act because A. They are regulated by Reserve Bank of India, B. They are not public authorities, C. They are statutory bodies of joint stock company, D. They are financial institutions. 96. The banks are required to maintain a certain ratio between cash in hand and total assets. This is called A. Statutory bank rate, B. Statutory liquidity ratio, C. Central bank reserve ratio, D. Central liquid reserve ratio. 97. Funds may be derived from A. Issue of share capital, B. Borrowings, C. Sale of fixed assets, D. All of these. 98. Every listed company and every other public company having a paid up share capital of dash crore rupees or more are required to appoint whole-time director. A. 10, B. 20, C. 50, D. 100. 99. An act of a company is said to be ultra vires when it is beyond the powers dash A. Of the company, B. Of the director, C. Of the director but not the company, D. Of the director. 100. The technique that specifies the relative value of each job in the organization is called as A. Job analysis, B. Job description, C. Job evaluation, D. Job specification. இப்போது உங்களோட ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டும் பேனாவையும் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ நான் ஆன்சர் 1 by 1 சொல்லிக்கிட்டே வரேன், நீங்கள் கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வாங்க. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4D, 5A, 6D, 7D, 8D, 9A, 10A, 11D, 12A, 13B, 14B, 15B, 16C, 17B, 18A, 19C, 20C, 21B, 22C, 23B, 24B, 25B, 26D, 27A, 28D, 29B, 30A, 31C, 32A, 33C, 34D, 35A, 36B, 37C, 38B, 39C, 40A, 41A, 42D, 43C, 44A, 45D, 46D, 47C, 48B, 49B, 50A, 51A, 52A, 53C, 54C, 55C, 56A, 57B, 58C, 59A, 60C, 61D, 62A, 63D, 64B, 65B, 66D, 67A, 68C, 69D, 70B, 71D, 72D, 73B, 74C, 75D, 76C, 77C, 78B, 79D, 80A, 81B, 82C, 83A, 84A, 85A, 86A, 87C, 88B, 89C, 90B, 91D, 92D, 93A, 94A, 95B, 96B, 97D, 98A, 99A, 100B. இப்போது டோட்டல் பண்ணி பாருங்கள் எவ்வளோ கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வருதுன்னு கமெண்ட் பேஜில் மறக்காமல் நோட் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸை என்னால் எவாலுவேட் பண்ண முடியும். அதே மாதிரி என்னோட இந்த வீடியோ போடுறது எவ்வளோ தூரம் யூஸாக இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறதும் எனக்கு தெரியும். அதனால தயவுசெய்து மறக்காமல் உங்களோட மார்க்கை கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும் நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். Once again, thank you very much. All the best.